Are you trying to download apps from the Google Play Store and get this error that says parental controls restriction downloading of this item? Now, if there is a parental restriction on your Google Play Store, you'll not be able to find and download games or apps. Even if you find your favorite games, it will show you this error. Now, if you want to remove parental control and want to download your games and apps, watch this video to learn a fast and useful way to solve your problems. Now first, open Play Store, tap Profile, tap Setting, tap Family, tap Parental Control, tap Apps and Games, enter the PIN code, tap OK. Now choose to allow all including unrated, least restrictive. Tap Save, go back and toggle off this parental control. Now go back to your Google Play Store. Now look for apps that were missing or showing you that error. Now you can install apps or games from your Google Play Store without getting any problem. Now guys, this is how you can solve your problem. Now if you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.